Good morning from the National Weather Service office in San Angelo, Texas. This is an updated weather briefing for Friday, June 6th, 2025. Key points for this updated briefing. There is at least some risk for severe storms each afternoon and evening through the weekend across west central Texas. However, the greatest coverage of storms and the highest severe threat is expected in the Big Country. We are particularly looking at Sunday, when we have an enhanced risk or level 3 of 5 of severe storms on the Big Country. We are expecting a line of showers and thunderstorms to develop somewhere in Oklahoma along the Red River Valley and push into the area late Sunday and early Monday. And these storms will have the potential to produce large hail and possibly severe wind gust greater than 70 miles per hour. We also do have a slight risk of excessive rainfall in the Big Country associated with this line of showers and thunderstorms that we expect on Sunday nights and into Monday morning. And taking a look at our severe weather outlooks through the weekend, today we are expecting another more severe thunderstorms to develop to our west and northwest from the Lubbock area down into the Trans-Pecos. And similar to yesterday, we could see some of these storms move to the southeast and move into the Big Country by this evening, mainly after 6 to 7 o'clock. Into northern and western portions of the Big Country. And if they do hold together, then we could see some large hail and a damaging wind gust. Again, the timeline would be mainly from 5 p.m. to midnight for northern and western portions of the Big Country. Further south and east for areas like San Angelo, not expecting any thunderstorms today. And for Saturday, we also have a marginal to a slight risk of severe storms across the northern half of the area. Coverage looks to be fairly low overall, not expecting really widespread severe weather, but we could see one or two storms develop in the afternoon, again, mainly north of San Angelo, for areas like Haskell, Sweetwater, Abilene, maybe Sterling City. And if we do see one or two storms develop, then they could be severe, again, with large hail and damaging winds and perhaps an isolated tornado. And then looking ahead on Sunday, again, we do have an enhanced risk or a level 3 of 5 north of I-20, so up toward Haskell and Throckmorton counties. A slight risk further south along I-20. Looking at the potential for a line of intense thunderstorms to develop up in the Red River Valley and push south into the Big Country late Sunday evening, especially after 5 o'clock and into Monday morning. And if we do see this line of storms materialize, then we are looking at the potential for large to a very large hail, along with damaging winds potentially greater than 70 miles per hour, and I couldn't rule out a tornado as well. And with those storms Sunday nights, we do have at least a slight risk for excessive rainfall for the Big Country, especially north of I-20. So heavy rain could lead to some flash flooding concerns for this time frame. And as always, you can find the latest forecast on our website, as well as our social media channels, and you can also call the office anytime for questions. Otherwise, our next briefing is scheduled for Monday, June 9th, 2025. Thank you for listening to this briefing, and have a good weekend.